Hey guys, what's up? It's Matt with 86. I have a Blue Whale Model 7 gaming chair. I'm taking a look at it here today. Bosmiller sent it to me to compare against the Autofool and Fantasy Lab chair. And a few notes before I get into the chair itself. As far as putting it together goes, it's one of the more tedious chair builds at first. I have until now not seen a star wheel that required 10 screws to hold together the base. Over time, screws may get loose and require some tightening, so make sure to securely tighten these. This way you don't have to revisit them anytime soon in the near future if they start getting loose, because nobody wants to flip a chair over and retighten screws on a star base. Alright, let's move into it. The wheels for the mentioned star base are pretty large, they snap in with ease, and they make rolling around pretty easy. These larger wheels have become something I'm quite fond of in chairs. I like the bigger wheels in chairs compared to some of the smaller wheels from previous chairs. The gas lift on this chair is my favorite to see on chairs. It always feels like it's the most capable, well-balanced kind of gas lift to use, and I really like seeing this type of assembly. The tilt tension knob for loosening or tightening so that you can rock comfortably is definitely included there in the front. It's not easy to reach when you're sitting in the chair, but if you kind of find your sweet spot there, you hopefully don't have to revisit it. And with a name like Blue Whale, I don't know why I would have expected anything different, but this is a even larger chair than I anticipated. It has a very high comfort rating in my book. The seat area is extremely comfortable to sit in and offers plenty of space for you leg sitters. I'm a leg sitter too. I don't know why I said you leg sitters, because I too am a leg sitter. I'm a little over 6 feet tall, and the back is also perfectly sized in my book. Now, if you're a short person, this might not be comfortable for you. That pillow's not going to come all the way down. It might be too much of a chair. But to sit in this chair and to rock for too long is a warning that you might start to fall asleep from the comfort it offers. The arms have a somewhat hidden front thumb mechanism to slide the rest forward and back. And on the outside is the actuation pull switch to allow them to go up and down. And on the inside below the rest is a push trigger to slide the rest away from you or towards you. The pillow has a bit of a bow tie look, to which kind of makes the chair look like it's about to go to some formal black tie dinner event. But I can't argue with it being a very comfortable execution here. I like it almost as much as I like the Autofool pillow, but it's not quite as memory foamy as that one. It's the same kind of felt, velvety, sort of soft touch, but it doesn't have the sort of, the memory foam feel that I mentioned. The back pillow is the same material and feel as the headrest pillow. It also features a USB cable and a switch for using some sort of like pulsy vibration, and they call it a back massager. While they may be important to some of you, I'm not the one that buys a chair based on a pillow having a vibration thing in it. To me, that's a little bit gimmicky, but it functions fine as a back pillow, and I'm 100% behind that. It's really comfortable. It actually does, I feel like, offer a little bit of support and help with the back when you're sitting in the chair. It adds a lot to the comfort. That's a quick overview of the Blue Whale Model 7 chair. I hope this overview was somewhat helpful to you. If it's one you've been looking at, it's definitely bigger than it probably looks in the pictures, so keep that in mind. You guys have a great day, night, whatever it is, and I'll see you in the next video that I do.